don't know exactly what makes a good manager, but I like to use examples. So Mark, for instance, I've noted how he works with people, what he does for communication, how he lays out tasks and makes sure that people stay on top of them. And then I make sure not to do any of those things.
I think being able to keep the troops happy through comedy, as Sir David Brent probably said most eloquently, I'm a friend first, a boss second, probably an entertainer third. We've been working hard on Christine. So the frame got sent out. It was powder coated. Before it was sent out, we fixed, or I should say modified, the engine mounting area from its original 318 to be able to accept the Helephant. So that is back. As soon as it got back, Doug and I went to town on building out the suspension front and rear. Ready to put the Helefante in?
Uh-huh.
Very Belafonte, but it's a Helephant, so a Helefante. I made it kind of French. Yeah. Isn't Halle Berry related to him? It's his daughter or something?
What?
Yeah. What can you say about Mopar? They were cool then, they're cool now. Who is going to come up with a crate engine that creates 1,000 horsepower on pump gas, 950 foot-pounds of torque? God, that's an evil engine, man. Who in the world would build 1,000 horsepower, 950 foot-pounds, and then be able to go up to a gas station and say, fill her up? I think if you took a vote on which car in pop culture is the most evil car, it would have been Christine. Why not put the most evil engine in the world in the most evil car in the world? That's what made me think this is the perfect marriage. All right, last bolt, go ahead. Got it. Okay, we're gonna take this thing down now, move it outside. Once it's outside, we're gonna raise up the Plymouth on a lift on our bin pack, lower it down, find out if we have enough clearance between the firewall and the engine. And if we do, we can take the body back off again, start doing body work on it, and finish plumbing this bad boy out. What do you think?
I like it.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah. I'll get the door.
Alyssa?
Hey,
Alyssa?
what is going on?
Something happened.
Oh God,
It's broken.
what's broken?
Can you come and look?
Is everybody okay?
Yeah. But
Well,
I need you to
what's
come and
going
look
on?
at this. Something
what?
happened. It quit working.
Okay, yeah.
Can you come and look at it?
Yeah.
Thank you.